Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you again. A lot of you have been asking about my morning routine, especially what I eat to feel energized and keep my skin looking its best. So today, I'm finally pulling back the curtain and showing you my complete morning glow routine. We'll be making my absolute favorite go-to breakfast and the skincare drinks I swear by. It's all about starting the day feeling amazing from the inside out. Let's get glowing. Okay, first things first. Before any food touches my lips, I start with hydration. It's non-negotiable. The very first thing I do is drink a big glass of room temperature water, sometimes with a squeeze of lemon. It just wakes up my digestive system and gets everything moving. It's such a simple step, but honestly, it makes a huge difference in how I feel throughout the day. It's like giving your body a gentle internal shower to kickstart the morning. After my water, while I'm getting things ready for breakfast, I'll make my glow drink. This is my secret weapon for happy skin. I mix a scoop of collagen powder into a small glass of water, or sometimes coconut water for extra electrolytes. I've been doing this for about a year, and I've really noticed a difference in my skin's plumpness and hydration. I use an unflavored marine collagen, so it dissolves completely and you can't even taste it. It's a tiny 2-minute ritual that pays off big time. Alright, now for the main event, breakfast. For the past few months, I've been obsessed with what I call my sunshine bowl. It's basically a supercharged yogurt bowl that's packed with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. It keeps me full and focused all morning long, without that heavy, sluggish feeling. Plus, it's just so pretty to look at, which honestly makes the morning feel a little more special. The base of my sunshine bowl is always plain Greek yogurt. I go for the full-fat version because it's creamier, more satisfying, and the healthy fats are amazing for your brain and skin. I scoop a generous amount into a bowl, probably about a cup. To that, I add a spoonful of chia seeds. These little guys are incredible. They're full of fiber and omega-3s, and they expand in your stomach to help you feel fuller for longer. I just stir them right in. Now for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can get really creative. My non-negotiable topping is berries. I usually use a mix of whatever is in season or what I have in my freezer. Today, I've got blueberries and raspberries. They're loaded with antioxidants, which are fantastic for fighting inflammation and giving your skin that glow. I just sprinkle a handful right on top. Next up, I need a bit of crunch. Instead of a sugary granola, I make my own mix of nuts and seeds. Right now, I have a jar with walnuts, sliced almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Walnuts are another amazing source of omega-3s, and pumpkin seeds are great for zinc, which can be really helpful for skin health. I just take a small handful and sprinkle it over the berries. The different textures make the bowl so much more satisfying. And for the final touch, a little drizzle of something special. I love to add a tiny bit of raw honey or pure maple syrup, just for a hint of natural sweetness. A little goes a long way. And then, the secret ingredient that ties it all together, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for helping to balance blood sugar, which means no mid-morning energy crash. It also just tastes like a warm hug. And there you have it, my sunshine bowl. It takes less than 5 minutes to assemble, but it's packed with so much goodness. You've got the protein from the yogurt, the fiber from the chia seeds and berries, healthy fats from the nuts, and all those amazing vitamins and antioxidants. It's the perfect balanced way to start the day. Let's give it a taste. The creaminess of the yogurt, the burst of the berries, the crunch of the nuts. It's just the best. Now, while I'm enjoying my breakfast, I usually make my morning latte. I'm a coffee lover, but I try to be mindful about how I make it. I'll brew a single shot of espresso. While that's brewing, I'll froth some oat milk. I find oat milk gives the creamiest, most delicious texture for lattes. I don't add any sugar to my coffee itself, since I already have a little sweetness from the honey in my yogurt bowl. It's just a simple, comforting cup of coffee that feels like a treat, without derailing my healthy start. So, to recap the whole routine, I wake up and have a big glass of water with lemon. Then I mix up my collagen glow drink. After that, I assemble my sunshine bowl with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, berries, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And finally, I enjoy it all with a simple oat milk latte. This entire process is my little pocket of peace before the day gets crazy. It's a form of self-care. What I love about this routine is how adaptable it is. If you don't like Greek yogurt, you could use coconut yogurt. If you're allergic to nuts, you could use sunflower seeds and toasted coconut flakes for that crunch. You could swap the berries for sliced peaches in the summer or chopped apple in the fall. The point isn't to copy my breakfast exactly, but to find a combination of whole, nutrient-dense foods that makes you feel fantastic. Taking these 15 to 20 minutes for myself each morning has been a game changer. It sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. When I start my day by nourishing my body, I'm more likely to make healthier choices later on. It's a ripple effect. It's not about restriction. It's about adding in things that make you feel vibrant and energized. It's about creating a routine that you genuinely look forward to. So, I challenge you to try creating your own glow routine this week. Let me know in the comments what your go-to healthy breakfast is. I'm always looking for new ideas to try. What makes you feel your best in the morning? I'd love to hear all about it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this morning and letting me share my routine with you. I hope it gave you some inspiration to make your mornings a little brighter and more nourishing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. It really helps me out and it means we get to hang out again soon. Have a beautiful glowing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.